Our world is filled with full of logics, creativity, science, mystery. What do you think? I have told absolutely correct now. Among them, all plays a key role in our society, nature, world. Without these four things, our world is incomplete. Today we are going to talk about mystery. What is mystery? Something secret, unknown. Mystery is very popular among people. People feel very excited and satisfied after solving any mystery. This mystery makes people think more. This mystery is related to logics and science. Mysteries will play a major role between science and philosophy. Science, what we see, philosophy, what we believe. Let's come to India. In our India, there are many mysteries. India has been called as the land of mysteries. There are many religions, cultures, Vedas, scriptures, holy festivals, holy books, etc. etc. But we have identified some mysteries and remained unsolved. In this video, we are going to know about top 7 Indian mysteries. I think these mysteries will pop your eyes and you will say amazing. Please watch until the end to say amazing. The first one, the musical pillar. Musical pillars are found in Bilara district of Karnataka and Hampi village, a Vittal temple. These musical pillars remain attractive to Hampi place. In Vittal temple, there are 56 musical pillars are kept. These musical pillars are also known as Sarigama Padanisa pillars. If we tap this pillar, the musical tones are produced. These tones are very unique and nice to hear. These pillars are kept in a specific height. Due to the height, the musical tones varies. The main pillar is attached with 7 minor pillars. How is the musical tune? Please comment in the commentary box. These musical pillars are kept in a specific height. Due to the height, the musical tones varies from one pillar to another pillar. The main pillar is attached with 7 minor pillars. This musical sound varies due to the touch. If we hit the musical pillar with the sandalwood, we can identify Sarigama Padanisa sound. The musical pillar mystery remains unsolved until now. Why? Because if we hit the musical pillar with the sandalwood, we can identify Sarigama Padanisa sound. The musical sound varies due to the touch. These musical pillars, normal rocks were used to build. How they are producing different sound. And this musical pillar holds the title of World Heritage Site. This temple is dedicated to Lord Varpaksa, a form of Shiva. It was built in 16th century by the king Krishnadevara, the Vijayanagaram Empire. The second one, levitating stone. Thousands of tourists and devotees visit the Sivarampuram, a small village about 180 km east in Mumbai, in India, to witness the miracle known as levitating stone of Sivarampuram. According to the believers, the levitating stone miracle is it is possible for the set of 11 numbers to lift a stone of 90 kgs with their index finger, but only after shouting the name Kulim Ali Darwaza. It is fantastic. Please watch this video. How is your feeling? Please comment. I will narrate you an interesting story about Kurum Ali. Kurum Ali was different from other men in his family. He accepted Sufi Pira as a guru. Kurum Ali spent most of the time in meditation and fasting. Suddenly, one day, some boys attacked Kurum Ali with their muscles power. Kurum Ali is almost to die. He given a strap stating that one of the heavy stones that local men used for the training in order to prove their strength. He requested his Guruji to place the stone near the grave and said, if 11 men place their right index on this stone and call my name, I will cause it to raise higher than their head. Otherwise, neither by themselves nor together will able to move this stone more than 2 feet off the ground. From this rough phenomena only, this stone is raising higher than their heads by placing their right index by calling Kurum Ali Devaras. Kurum Ali making the stone to raise higher than their head without applying force. The stone weight is approximately 90 kgs. They can lift only using their right index finger. Third one is the land of immortal. It is located in somewhere in the mysterious gallery in Himalayas. It is also called as Gyangi. Immortal means a man or a person living forever. They will never die. You have heard correctly. You can find a person with no deaths. What an amazing place now. This place is connected with the spiritual world. The city of immortal are described in many scriptures such as Buddhism and Hinduism. This Gyangi place is also called as City of Kingdom. The exact location of this legendary City of Kingdom is unknown. It exists in different plane, different dimension, and it can't be able to detect by satellites or advanced technology. In Tibet, the City of Kingdom is also known as Sambal, which means the source of happiness. The direction to visit the land of immortal is not clear. Gyangi resembles the structure of lotus having 8 petals. It is surrounded by snow mountains. Please imagine in that way. In City of Kingdom, you can see a tree which connects the heaven, earth and underwater. You can see the image. In that place, they teach us about the faith, belief, wisdom, destiny. They work for the good. Only 2 people visited that place. Guru Sai Keka, he is the leader of Sannyasi. The second one is L.P. Farrell, an army officer who claimed the experience to visit the land of immortal in 1942. This place is only visible to the person who follows spiritual and the holy books of their religion. They have truth to the mankind and the world. In a short way, in Mahabharata, Yudhishthira-like personality we should have to visible this place, the land of immortal. Fourth one, UFO based place. It is found in Ladakh. In our childhood, many newspaper articles were published that many people have seen UFOs and aliens, but not known which is correct. In Ladakh, which is located near Jammu Kashmir, many army people, soldiers, and the local peoples are saying that they have seen UFOs many times. Astronomers are confirmed that it is not the flying drones or satellites, planets, asteroids, meteoroids, not the any flying object. According to ISRO and DRDO, geologists are studying and doing research about this. From where these UFOs are coming, why these UFOs are visible only in this place many times. Local peoples around the UFO based place strongly believe that this is the area of the aliens and home of aliens. That is why the UFOs are visible in many times in this place. Fifth, the place of skeleton. It is found in Uttarakhand, Galwal region. Rudrakand lake is there. This lake is located at higher altitudes of Himalayas. This place best suits for adventurous people. Why? Because this place is more popular for trekking and we can see many skeletons in that place. Scientists conducted some studies in that place. They have taken the skeleton sample and tested. From that they got the results. These skeletons belong to 9th century. If the snow melts, we can see more skeletons in that place. This skeleton was first found in 1942 by the British forest gardeners. They say that in World War II, Japanese soldiers were crossing this place. Due to the snowstorm, they died. This skeleton belonged to Japanese soldiers. According to the scientists, these skeletons belong to 850 AD. They proved when they studied these skeletons, there are no weapon marks, attacks marks. These Japanese soldiers died due to the snowball attack or rock attack. Sixth one, growing Nandi. I think this mystery is known by everyone. The growing Nandi is found in Kurnool district in Yadgat village in Umamaiswari temple. According to the archaeologist survey, this Nandi will grow every inch in 20 years. According to the Kalagiri prediction, this Nandi will stop grow when Kali Yuga comes. If you tell me, I will do the next video about Kali Yuga or Kalagiri prediction. According to the geologist C. Mohan Rao, he stated that this Nandi is made with a rock. This rock consists of silicon minerals iron. Due to the silicon minerals mixture, it makes the rocks to grow in every year. When mineral is mixed with silicon, the size will be expand. That's why this Nandi is growing every inch in 20 years. I think this will be your answer for this mystery. Seventh one, floating stone. These stones are used in Ramayana. Rama constructed a bridge by using these stones to cross the river. Ramayana story tells two reasons why the stones are floating. The first one is Rama name was written in the rock. Second, in Ramayana troop there were two brothers. One brother had the power to decrease the weight, the another brother had the power to float the things in the water. I am not sure these two reasons are correct. These reasons are correct up to my knowledge. If you know more information about this, please comment, share your view. You can see these floating stones in Ramayan temple in Tamil Nadu. But what is the scientific reason why it is floating? When air is locked in the silicon cells, this rock becomes very stronger, very lighter. These rocks are called pumic stones. But this is not a pumic stone. Why? Because pumic stones are formed due to the volcano Adhar flame of lava that comes out when there is a volcano eruption. But there are no such volcano eruption near the beach. There is no evidence find out. No such type of mountains, rocks are found out. Due to the volcano eruption, more lava's flame comes out. After many years later, this volcano becomes mountain. After cooling down the volcanoes, convert the mountain, the lava mountain is converted into the mountain. I think this evidence shows that God exists in our world. These are the top 7 mysteries. Some mysteries have answers, some mysteries they did not have answers. That's why we have called that is mysteries. Thank you for watching my video.